Hi, I'm Jerry from Unior Bike Tools, and I have a new wooden base for our professional touring stand. Like I said, this is our new base for a professional touring stand, and as you can see we have two different holes, different spacing. So the one that is a little bit further apart, this one will fit the new version, the version 2.0 of our touring stand, and the holes that are a little bit closer together will fit the first version of our professional touring stand. You have here two pockets that are really nice to put in spoke wrenches or store there some additional tools that you might need when working on wheels. And the main thing is it is sturdy and it is wood. It gives you a nice feeling and it won't leave any marks on your bench top. For more information about Unior professional touring stand and accessories, please visit uniorbiketools.com.